emutugamba no mwina aba America sima abajja kuba President 7 kwa hiyo speech Barbie Kyagulanyi je yawadde eriverera wuze mbona first lady Barbie Kyagulanyi you disappointed us otudde mba intellectual Canada oyogera oluzungu lwa pitu you are not comfortable you are not confident you are just meandering okola ki ku nnyonyi wakitodde magere n'ofumba why don't you take care of your kids nemuno na tiketi z'abantu you don't even have research Barbie toina history ya gwangali why do you quote history Paulo Muwanga you can't even talk about what Paulo Muwanga did and you want to be a first lady yeah namwe mumalamu amaanyi Barbie Kyagulanyi Bobo mumalamu amaanyi we expect better Barbie Kyagulanyi gun research internet mujina have the internet why don't you sit down and read kino kizake kyo kyabiwumula era noyo zake yagenda nakuba embogo ku TV ali ku Voice of America zake bamubuza what do you want to do for Ugandans omanyi zake bwe yayogera before you know Museveni is a dictator we are tired of those conversation Museveni is a dictator Museveni is a junta don't be stupid. Can't you sit down and do research? You go to the intellectual. No way being to be very researched. When you are confident. Ni mubera mu America mutabudde ne Bobo ni kunwa bunwi mwengi. Doing a lot of nothing.